Flutter project by using Android Studio. At first we need to Android Studio. I have already installed Android Studio. If you don't install Android Studio, open any browser and search Android Studio. Android Studio, and here is the official link. Simple process. You download and install next. When I install Android Studio, here my Android Studio. I open. I want to create Flutter project, so I need Flutter SDK. So open any browser and search Flutter SDK. Here is the official link. You go and you see .flutter .flutter.dev install. Here Flutter installation guide, and you click quick start and scroll down, and here is the option Windows for Git and Git document installation. Scroll down, here is the installation setup Flutter download manually. You click this install Flutter manual, and again say Windows version, and now see the installation setup Flutter. Here is the Flutter SDK. See, download the Flutter SDK. Click this button for downloading, and here is automatically download start. Wait until finish the download. After complete download, open your download folder, select right button click, extract all, extract here. Okay. After extract file, simply you select your Flutter folder and cut, and you go this PC, then you go your C drive, you paste here. This is my Flutter SDK. You open this and you go bin folder, and you click your address bar and copy. Then you go to Windows search bar and type environment. Yeah, edit the system environment variable. Open this, and here is the environment variable. Click this and select path and click edit, and you click new and you paste your Flutter copy address bar, paste, and okay, and you close, and again go to search bar and type cmd. For testing your Flutter SDK is installed or not, type Flutter space /version. Enter. Here is the update process. Wait some time. Yes, here is the my Flutter version. This Flutter version, upper or lower, no problem. When you see any Flutter version, mean you successfully install your Flutter SDK. Okay, this work is done. Now open your Android Studio, and you click this plugin button, and you type, or you first see, here is the Flutter plugin from Google. Install and click restart ID. Restart. Yeah, now you see a new button for creating Flutter project. Click this. You need to select your Flutter SDK path. Click this 3-dot button, and you go C drive, and here is the Flutter folder. Select Flutter folder and click select folder. Yeah, my Flutter folder is selected, done. And left side you see lot of option. You select Flutter, then next, and here is the your project name. Like I type my Flutter, you type your name and you set a simple app description. So there is a lot of option. You can use Windows app, web app, Mac, Linux, iOS. So I need only Android. So I select Android. I check mark on the Android, and you select your language, Kotlin or Java. I select Kotlin, then create. After complete project rendering, you can select your real device or virtual device. Here is my virtual device. Select this window bar and select your device. Then click run button. Yes, this is my demo project. Now you develop your main coding and you enjoy your Flutter development. So that's it, how you can create Flutter project by using Android Studio. So if you feel this video is helpful, you can subscribe my channel and you can share your opinion by comment. Thank you.